Hi, in this video we are taking a look at the Garmin Tread side by side mounted on the Perun Moto GPS and tablet holder for 12mm bar and showing how the device is installed. One of the main advantages of larger navigation units like the Garmin Tread side by side is the screen size. With an 8-inch display, the Tread offers excellent readability at a glance. We have been running this exact setup in a wide range of real-world riding conditions over the past couple of months. Mounted on the Perun Moto holder, the Tread sits solidly in place, with no noticeable movement or vibration. At the same time, it doesn't block the instrument cluster. All warning lights and essential information remains clearly visible from the rider's point of view. Other navigation devices of similar size work just as well in this position. The holder used here is already mounted on the bike. Installing the Garmin Tread is quick and simple. The Tread base is attached to the mounting plate using 4 bolts and flat washers, which are supplied with the Perun Moto GPS and tablet holder. The mounting plate features threaded holes, so no nuts are required on the back side. Because of this, the installation can be done without removing the windscreen. During our testing, we didn't find it necessary to use a tread locking compound. However, a mild one can be used if the rider prefers. We won't be showing the wiring process here, since electrical installation varies from one bike to another. Once the base is secured, the Garmin Tread simply slides into place and locks securely. Magnets will hold it in place while you secure the locking tab. The result is a stable, clearly visible navigation setup with a large screen that's easy to read while riding and doesn't interfere with the bike's control or instruments. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching and thanks for choosing Perun Moto.